who do you think could be a potential black swan? There are rumors that Senator Risa Ontiveros is being groomed by the Liberal Party as a potential presidential candidate. Do you think she can be a potential black swan?
Yes, that is a distinct possibility. Lalo na kung dumadami yung neither Duterte nor Marcos. No? Pero she has to create a brand. Dahil ang labanan dito, brand eh. Parang yung mga tulpo, ano yung brand nila? Ipatulpo mo. Lahat, kahit dito sa studio, pag may reklamo, ang ganda lang sasabihin, ipapatulpo kita. Di ba? Naging brand siya eh. So, kailangan ni Risa ng similar brand which will define her. Lalo na sa DNE, who is almost 90% of voters. Di ba? Yun yung hinahanap nila, a street fighter, a brand. No? Yun yung kanilang tingin ko iboboto. It's not necessarily about substance. It's not necessarily about platforms and principles and visions. It's about a brand. Tingin ko hindi yan masyado magbabago going into the 2028 presidential election.